everybody, welcome back. My name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia. Today's DIY is going to be made, or rather upcycled, from old winter hats, and we are going to be making this little buddy right here. It's probably one of the cutest DIYs we're ever going to make on this channel. Look at his face. Look at his face. It's so cute. It's so quiet. So, Valentine's Day is upon us. I want to say when I release this video, it is going to probably be about 2 weeks away, so that gives you plenty enough time to get the supplies to make this cute little demon cat thing. Doesn't have a tail, but I call him my little demon. And this little guy right here is the cutest gift you could possibly make for your partner, and I mean, you can customize these little guys so that they can be given to a guy or a girl. So without further ado, let's get started. The things you will need for this DIY is 3 winter hats, pins, needle and thread, scissors, stuffing, 2 buttons, and fabric paint. First, take 2 of the hats and sew around the brim of the hat. Fill with stuffing and then pull the thread to close the opening. Secure the now closed area by sewing in all different directions. Now, both of the hats should resemble a sphere. Sew them together and make sure to sew around the joining area at least twice to secure it. From there, you can decide which is the head and which is the body. Place, and if needed, pin the buttons to the stuffed animal. Sew the buttons on carefully. Now take the third hat, and from there you can divide it up so that it makes the arms, legs, and ears. If you have enough left over, you can always make a tail. Sew the arms, legs, and ears. Once finished with that, cut the loose thread, clip the corners, and turn them inside out. Place and pin the arms, legs, and ears to the stuffed animal and sew them on. For the last part, grab your fabric paint and paint on a nose or a smile or both. Like, I made one for my brother about 2 years ago and he still has it. Except his was a kitty with a tail. This one, he's my special boy. He's probably gonna make appearances in other videos. I'm not even lying. I really love this thing. So I figured that this would make a good Valentine's present, because if you really love somebody and they give you a handmade or homemade gift, it's kind of really romantic and really sweet. So So if you make this for somebody and they don't like it, well, you've made a new boyfriend or a new girlfriend and kick the other one to the side. You don't need that negativity in your life. Okay. So that is how you make this cute little buddy right here. I mean, it's super simple. It's super cheap too. I mean, I got everything right here from the dollar store. So all in all, it probably cost about, let's see, $5-6 to make. I mean, unless you don't have a sewing needle or thread, then it's gonna probably be a little bit more, but I'm just gonna go ahead and assume you have that stuff. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not hit that like button down below, as it really helps me. And if you think your friends will like it, why not give this video a share? If you are new around here, you should definitely subscribe. We upload DIY videos every Tuesday, and we will be introducing new series into the channel here shortly. So you should definitely subscribe and stick around for those. Hit the little bell icon just so that way you are notified when I upload new videos. I also started a Patreon. If you want to help support this channel by donating $1 or more a month, you would receive earlier access to my videos by 1 day. I also have social media if you guys would like to chit chat or see some behind the scenes stuff. I have a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr, so the links for those can be found in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay crafty, my friends.